Lots of little drops. Yep. Oh, the foot pedal.
Have fun.
Yay. It's the Alpine Coaster. Oh, a little kick from the ride attendant. Thank you. Alpine Coaster at Glenwood Caverns Adventure Park. Woohoo! No brakes. The triple down, the double down. Ooh, there's the automatic brake. Ooh. And the automatic brakes again. These modern ones are sadly controlled. Oh, wow. Lots of little drops. This thing goes on forever. I love it. Slow down. Oh, it kind of slowed down for me there. The end. There you go. Alpine Coaster. And now the ride back. Thank you. You too. There we go. Ta-da. And I know this part's boring, but check out the length of this lift hill. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 cars in front of me. Fire danger, so don't smoke. Oh, and I saw that one in Pigeon Forge in Akezia, or whatever the name of the place is, where somebody was on the lift hill and a bear ran out. You're bolted in, you can't stop. That's new nightmare unlocked. I mean, I'd love to see a deer or something, but holy cow. If I saw a bear right now, whew. Ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Ka-chunk, ka-chunk. Those are anti-rollback devices. Ka-chunk, 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 ka-chunk. A little sawtooth on the left side here occasionally. Just one little thing every 5 or 6 feet. So, heaven forbid, the cable breaks or I'd come disconnected. I'm not going very far back. This is the return cable. It's a blur, but it is moving back the other way. Christmas lights. I just saw them setting up some Christmas stuff. That's cool. The Alpine Coaster's open in the winter even here, so... And the caves are obviously open year-round. The coasters are going to be closing soon for the season here in early November. Yeah, look at the little light balls. Lovely. Here's Defiance. Defiant. Oh my gosh. I forgot. Still can't see the end. It's kind of peaceful here. I like it. It's very serene. Ooh. Somebody just went whizzing by. I think. Look at this track right here. It's a pretty nice little drop. Wiegand. Hey, here's the end with Christmas lights. There you go. Back to where we started. Back from whence we came.
Welcome, buddy. How was it?
Nice.